जो है उन्हें उसकी वजह से हमें काफ़ी बताया जितनी भी बीमारियाँ हो गई हैं और उसके लिए कम से कम इसी इसका असबाब बना है। जब हम उससे जो है काबू नहीं पा सकते हैं तो हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते। उसके लिए खास तौर पे जो हमारे जितना ट्रैफिक का देख रहे रुझान हो रहा है तो जितने भी हमारे रेगुलेशन देख रहे हैं उसके
3-4 एक्सीडेंट उनमें जब तक नॉलेज जो नहीं लोगों की हम बात हो जाती है। सिर्फ और सिर्फ हम बेसिक चीज़ों का ख्याल रखते हैं।
हेलमेट ना पास हो मोटरसाइकिल में हेलमेट नहीं पाया था बस में भी बैठ सकते हैं ऐसा ही है। बाइक का मैं पहले आपको बताता हूँ जो
यस
Hello guys, today I go to our motorway police. There was a meeting about the safety of cars, bikes and peoples and sometimes rickshaws. I go to the meeting to get some information about what is happening there. It was happening that they were studying about that we should not mean bikes, we should not put their center, we should park in a style, we should mean park in a side and don't put at the center of the road. And for the rickshaw riders, they are saying we will make a stand for them, they will park there and no one will do like that, we will park. There will no fight of them and they tell us that we should drive slowly bike or car or rickshaws because if you drive fast it could be an accident or something else. So that I go there, I mean it. Just once I was in Sir C, DSP of Motorway Police. They see me, they call me and they give me a gift. I can show you 2 or 3 of them. They give me a police hat and a mug inside it. They give me a mug and some other things inside these bags. And it was very important and I like it that our Pakistan is changing day by day. If it changes, it will be really good and it will complete us and we will live safely and there will be no more accidents. Thank you.